Okay guys, so I take the part out. uh, you see how it'll look. So now I'm gonna put in the new part. Make sure before you take the old part out, measure the new part if it's fit or not. Good. So and now you gotta put it in the new part, front, inside. Let me see if I can show you. You see all this rust? Making sure you use a pair of glass like that and a ear cover, and I put a plastic bag in my nose. So, yo sé que si tú eres dominicano o hablas español, tú estás entendiendo lo que yo estoy haciendo porque estás viendo. La parte nueva, ponerla por el lado adentro y ya ustedes saben qué es lo que es. Oh shit, I dropped my phone. Now you see, I'm gonna put this part on that hose with the clamp, and the return hose will go over here with the other hose. This hose. I don't know if you can see it much. But I start in here. I want to make sure the part is good here. So this is the new part. So now you have an idea how you do this. Ahora tú tienes una idea más o menos cómo se hace. So ya tú sabes que lo que es, monstruo 2 aquí resolviendo los problemas. Y ahora para adelante pile video para YouTube resolviendo problemas. Me quité.